All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we go over all kinds of information on cryptocurrency, news on cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, looking at different price predictions to see where the coin's at. Again, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming information on what's going on. So AMP Token, a lot of good things going on. They're getting new contracts. They're partnering up with different things. We're going to kind of go over that. The coin is down right now. So I'm going to give you the prediction of what I think the coin's going to do by the end of the year. But here's the thing. With it being down right now, we're going to kind of go over some strategies. So let's go ahead and jump over to AMP. All right, we're over here at Coin Market. Let's take a look at AMP here. It's at 4 cents, 0.04416. It's actually down 5% in the last 24 hours, so this could be a good positioning time. So take a look at this. So it appears that AMP is it's up here, and then take a look. It's dropped. Okay, and now we're down here. A couple things to kind of pay attention to here that I wanted to kind of go over. Take a look at holders. So I got 3 months checked here. So in July 2nd, there was basically 23,000 people holding AMP token, July 2nd. So let's go over to August 3rd. Went from 23,000 to 33,000 holder addresses. Let's go over to September 4th, 3rd, 39,000. So again, in July 2nd, there's 23,000 holding addresses. Right here out of the 26, there's 42,000 holding addresses. 42, 23, almost double. So just in a very short period of time, more people are holding the token, more people are staking the token. So with that, it's at 4 cents, 4.04416. A couple of the projects that AMP's actually doing right now with Flexa. Right now, they just basically did a contract. Flexa is an incredible, exciting announcement with our new partnership of GK Software USA, a leading payment software provider powering 10 of the top 50 retailers worldwide. This is going to be gigantic, everybody. GK Software partners with Flexa to support digital crypto payments using the Flexa network, transactions, and offer merchants a fast and easy, secure way to accept digital cryptocurrency. So that's big. Don't forget right here, AMP also, the first AMP governance proposal to establish the AMP community grant program has been posted for vote. So you click right here and it says establish the AMP community grant program. This proposal will establish the AMP community grant program. This grant program will fund crypto community engagements offering, including but not limited to DeFi integration, educational content, tutorials, AMAs, a sponsorship. In addition, the program can help support teams looking to build products and incorporate AMP. Initial funding is, it looks like about 1 million AMPs will be secured from the Flexa network into developing the fund of the multi-swag wallet. So that's pretty big right here. Again, going through the thing, I think this one's big. Again, there's so many new contracts and new things that AMP Token's doing. Again, with them doing more things, I mean, the GK software, that's absolutely big. And now all of a sudden we got 622 gas stations, convenience stores using this. The price happens to be a little lower than it's normally been. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only. But again, when this thing keeps going up, do you want to position when the price is high, or do you want to position when the price is low? Could be a wonderful time right now. Again, the convenience stores right here. I just think this is big and gigantic. I mean, how many times do you get to partner up with 622 gas stations? It says it right here. Sheets are currently operated with 622. There it is, everybody. 622 stores in Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Maryland. These are all going to be people that are going to be accepting cryptocurrency at the pump, and AMP is going to be a part of it with the Flexa network. Another good thing that's going to be in AMP's favor, over here at the AMP website, now let's take the money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like Doge with instant variable assurance for any real applications. I'm going to click up here where it says using the AMP. So it says right here how to stake AMP. Staking is actually one of the ways that you can actually make money with cryptocurrency. How to stake AMP. Right here tells you how many AMPs are staked. pretty good. Right here it says connect your wallet. So now we're over here, we click this. I mean, there's just a lot of people that are staking. I go ahead and hit explore, and it says right here, here's the top stakers of how many AMP tokens they got staked. I mean, and it's quite a few, everybody, right here on the website. So there's a lot of people that are staking the coin, and they're staking quite a few of it. So staking the AMP token is a very, very good way to actually make money with cryptocurrency. All right, so we're back here at Coin Market, and we're talking about where everything's at. AMP token is actually at number 58 cryptocurrency in the world. It's actually at 4 cents, 415. In the last 7 days, it is up 3.97%, but in the last 24 hours, it's down almost 5%. So it's kind of balancing out. So AMP's right there at number 58. Of course, we got to talk about our Shiba Inu at number 47. There's all those zeros, 5 of them. They're going to try to crush one of those zeros. But it's actually up slightly in the past 7 days, but it's down 2% in the last 24 hours. And right here, Cosmos at number 20 is trading at $37.71. In the last 7 days, Cosmos is actually up about 3.81%. But in the last 24 hours, Cosmos has taken a little bit of a dip. You may want to put that on your radar. Number 18, we're looking at Bitcoin Cash. There's a little bit of, take a look, red, 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 red. Bitcoin Cash is down 8%. In the last 7 days, it's down 3.68% in the last 24 hours. This Bitcoin Cash trading at $495. Litecoin is also down 8%, down 5% in the last 24 hours at 146. And then go ahead and end in the top 10. Dogecoin is at number 10, trading at 20 cents. Polkadot is at number 9, trading at $28, down for the 24 and the 7 days, 5 and 6%. Solana is actually down about 3% at number 7 at $137. Hey, what do you think? Hey, what do you think about Tom Brady saying that he'll get paid part of his salary in cryptocurrency? And the 3 cryptocurrencies were Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So Solana, Tom Brady's willing to actually accept some of his partial of his salary in cryptocurrency. Isn't this crazy that professional athletes are now talking about how they're accept, and they tell you Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana gonna go big with this cryptocurrency. So right there again, Solana at number 7. Tom Brady will accept some of his salary in Solana. XRP is at number 6. It's actually down 4% in the last 24 hours. Right here, Binance Coin is actually down 4 or 5% in the last 7 and 24 hours, trading at $339 a coin. There's Cardano, ADA at $2.17, down in the last 24 hours. Ethereum and Bitcoin, number 1 and 2. Ethereum's a slightly under 3,000, down about 6% in the last 24 hours, down 2% in the last 7 days. And Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all, right now at 42,572, down about 3%. So the cryptocurrency market, global caps at 1.88 trillion. It's actually down 4.58% in the last 24 hours. So with all that red, 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 you may want to take a look. Where are you trying to position? All the information, again, is on this channel for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So again, with Tom Brady talking about cryptocurrency, you know, we watch football every Sunday. Every single week, Tom Brady's going to be on Sunday and Monday talking about this big thing with his, you know, what is he going to do? And he's looking at his phone, and he's calling all his friends, and he says, I'm getting into cryptocurrency. So with Tom Brady for the next 17 to 20 weeks promoting cryptocurrency, in my thing, when more and more of everything, when AMP Token and Flexa are at 622 gas stations, when Tom Brady's talking about cryptocurrency, when Elon Musk is tweeting about cryptocurrency, we're all doing the right thing. Pay attention to what's going on. Either you can buy the coin, you can stake the coin, you can mine the coin, you can use that BlockFi credit card and get rewards in Bitcoin. All kinds of ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to click right here and see our most recent video. And again, you guys have an absolutely awesome day today. We bring you a video Monday through Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And on the weekends, it's between 3 and 4 o'clock. But we bring you a video every single day, Monday through Sunday. This is going to be a journey for years and years to come. I can't wait for 2 years from now and a year from now when I actually take some of the videos and I say, here's what we were talking about, AMP token, when it was only under 5 cents, and look at what it's doing now. So everybody have an awesome day. See you tomorrow.